Can't go.
You gotta put it underneath your nose.
See what that rubber pit tastes in my mouth.
Here's like a Kurt snort.
You're a bad guy.
Is it that bad?
Now we know